monster. Isn't that impressive? Oh my God, it was disaster in a split second. A huge rock crashed into the truck without warning. No time to react, no way to escape. A Komatsu beast strikes with brutal force. The building crumbles, a cloud of dust explodes, and chaos erupts just feet from a helpless car. One wrong move could spell disaster. Let's witness this dangerous scene together. A massive truck dares to cross a flooded road, but nature strikes back. Within seconds, it topples and vanishes beneath the raging current, a jaw-dropping moment of devastation. Unbelievable. From chaos to calm, the scene shifts. The New Holland Seahorse, with its powerful design and advanced technology, glides effortlessly across the lake's surface under the golden glow of sunset. Its smooth engine hums as it slowly descends, sending soft ripples through the still water, disappearing into the serene, almost otherworldly silence of the deep. As the calm lake fades behind, the chaos returns. Now, a colossal wind turbine blade twists through narrow dirt roads, defying gravity. One wrong move, and this massive structure could bring everything to a standstill. The serenity is short-lived. Now the terrain turns brutal. An excavator claws its way up a steep hill, showcasing raw strength and unwavering stability. With its powerful hydraulics and rugged frame, it conquers unforgiving slopes with precision, proving its worth in the harshest construction and mining conditions. But the action doesn't stop there. Now it's precision over brute force. The FRM machine, deployed on India's relentless railway network, roars to life. Engineered for track maintenance, inspection, and repair, it operates with surgical accuracy. Its rapid adjustments and part replacements aren't just technical feats, they're life-saving moves that keep the rails safe, stable, and unstoppable. Away from India's railways, let's take a trip down a highway where a giant truck hangs in midair as cables stretch against gravity. One wrong move and tons of steel can collapse in an instant. A truly spectacular rescue. As the rescue clears, the next titan rolls in. A massive excavator on a multi-axle trailer slowly takes over the road, each turn demanding inch-perfect control as traffic halts, holding its breath. As the last mega machine clears the road, the ground itself becomes the next battlefield. In the heart of a German quarry, Echidna's latest Omnicut roars to life, its blade tearing through Muschelkalk stone with surgical brutality. Dust explodes, rock splits, and time surrenders. This isn't just cutting stone, it's rewriting the rules of excavation with raw power and unmatched precision. And as machines carve through stone with ruthless precision, technology takes the wheel. The Chipmax 484VR ignites Volvo trucks with next-level intelligence, optimizing engine performance in real time. More power, less fuel, fewer emissions. No matter the terrain or load, this electronic control system transforms every drive into a masterclass of stability and efficiency. And just when you think the powertrain revolution ends on the road, here comes the grind. Enter the Vermeer TG7000 tub grinder, a beast built for destruction with purpose. Fueled by a high-powered engine and a relentless grinding system, it devours waste like a machine possessed. Wood, debris, you name it, nothing escapes as it turns chaos into clean-cut productivity for massive-scale operations. Don't forget to like the video to see more giant machines. The Kemrock EK150 chain cutter on the Komatsu PC400 excavator is designed for trenching in hard limestone. With powerful performance and precise cutting capabilities, the EK150 enhances excavation efficiency, minimizes issues, and boosts productivity in stone mining and construction projects. The Dopstrat DZ750 wood shredder is a powerful machine designed for processing waste wood and solid materials. With an efficient cutting system and flexible operation, the machine quickly shreds wood, saving time and energy, making it suitable for large-scale recycling projects. This Moorbark chipper is powered by an 850 horsepower Caterpillar engine and can really throw debris. It can handle trees with diameters up to 36 inches. It's truly fascinating to watch it in action. You can see the Suocone Suaco S 500 tractor with MJK 4.8, a powerful machine with 768 horsepower, CVT transmission, and a 4.8-meter wide crusher. Designed to work efficiently in Canada, this machine is specialized for grinding and processing soil and vegetation, optimizing work in harsh conditions. The Volvo 2654 Henrik Müller Fisted Wood Chipper is a powerful machine designed for processing waste wood and solid materials. With high performance and the ability to quickly shred wood, the machine saves time and effort in wood recycling tasks, making it ideal for large-scale industrial applications. The Diamond ZT8000TK is a high-performance wood chipper used in Myrtle Beach for processing waste wood and solid materials. The machine has the ability to shred quickly, saving time and costs, making it suitable for large-scale recycling projects and waste management. The Silvatech Slicer is a specialized machine designed to cut wood into thin slices with high precision. Built to be durable and efficient, it helps save time and ensures product quality, commonly used in wood processing workshops. Combined with the TP400 wood chipper forms a powerful duo for processing waste wood. The TP400 efficiently shreds wood, while the Class Xerion 5000 provides strong power, helping to optimize productivity and save time in recycling tasks.
Transport convoy carefully hauls a massive industrial structure through a winding forest road. Specialized trucks and trailers work together to move the oversized load safely. An excavator nearly gets dragged down as a massive stone slab breaks loose. In Buros Marble Quarries, Caterpillar and Komatsu wheel loaders work tirelessly to move massive marble blocks. The heavy machines maneuver skillfully across rough terrain, showcasing their impressive strength and precision. Dust fills the air as the loaders operate in perfect coordination, highlighting the scale of the quarrying operation. Massive T800 and DET MT 250 bulldozers are seen taking on a huge concrete anvil. The powerful machines push and crush with incredible force, but the anvil proves to be a tough opponent. Onlookers watch closely as the battle between steel and stone unfolds.